First of all, it's really important that you could bring some support with you. The best person to bring is a relative or family friend that shares your hearing loss. The support that you bring along is really useful to us because we can ask them questions about your hearing loss. Quite often people with hearing loss aren't aware of all the aspects but other family members have noticed, so that's really useful to us. Plus it's also really handy during the test because you'll have a familiar voice to listen to when we've recommended an aid and we're trying different options with you. So secondly, in preparation for your hearing test, don't clean your ears. If you feel you've got any issues with your ears at all, that is something that we can sort out in practice. What we don't want is that you start trying to clean your ears out, and if there is any wax there, it becomes impacted and it's more difficult to remove, and it also can cause you problems. Thirdly, what you can do in preparation, which is really helpful for us, is think about the areas where you struggle most with your hearing. Is it watching the television? Is it speaking to your partner at home? Is it in a noisy environment when you go out socially with your friends? The more information that you can give us in preparation for your hearing test, the better placed we are to help you with any prescription and any device that we suggest for you.